Hi everyone, welcome back to the Nelson channel. Today I want to share a healthy breakfast with you again. Okay, for those of you who are new to my channel, please don't forget to like and comment after watching my video if you like what I share. And for those of you who shared and subscribe, thank you very much. God bless you. Without wasting much of your time, I will show you another healthy recipes for breakfast. Okay, here is one of my best breakfasts. Okay, as you can see, what we have here is avocado, a handful of iceberg lettuce, and we have baby spinach, and we have 2 oranges and banana, apple, and here we have chia seed. We all know the benefits of chia seed. Chia seed is full of fiber and proteins. Okay, so here we're gonna begin. I will show you how to prepare this and make it easier. And don't worry, the taste of this vegetable is not gonna get into your smoothie. Okay, don't worry, I will show you. Let's begin.